My name's Chad. I own an Outback Loft and I'm having problems with my lift system, so I thought I would just do a quick video. Not many of these were made. I had some trouble finding any information on them, and once I figured out where the lift system was, it was kind of easy. So I'm just going to take you through and show you what I found. Hopefully it helps somebody else out. My lift mechanism was working, but one corner wasn't lifting. Turns out I had a broken cable, and I'll show you where those are located. I'm working on mine with the top down. There's enough room for what I'm doing, and just happened to be a cool night, so anyways, here I'm going to back up and show you this. This is the access panel to the whole system. This one I already loosened their square drive. That right there is your adjustment. The four corners are color coded. You can see my yellow one is the one that's broke right there. It goes around the pulley with the missing cable. It goes across this way. Another pulley back here. You can see where the cable's broken, and then it just goes through in the wall. So I found out, take your same square drive. I've already loosened this one up. You take your same square drive, and there's some square head. They're just crappy drywall screws shot in at an angle. There's two here that hold on to the floor, so it's a pretty beefy, this is a pretty secure hold. And then there are two in the top, and they just go through this thin sideboard. The first one I took apart, I actually pulled them out without even unscrewing them. So you loosen those up, you grab this thing, you pull it out, and here's your access, or here's, on mine, this is where the issue was. This is the corner that wasn't working. It's this front corner right here by the switch. So, next thing I need to do, I can see right here, there are more screws that hold this piece in. So I'm going to take everything out of the way. I'm going to take this piece out and see exactly where this broken cable goes, so I can get some of that cable and crimp the ends and replace it. Also, if you ever need to hand crank this because your motor goes out, you just take this end panel off, and that's your access to your emergency crank, so you can put the top up or down. I noticed in here there's a lot of space. The back side of this is that upper shelf. It's kind of hard to get to, but it has that elastic net over it, and I'm really tempted to either move this whole thing back as far as I can until I butt up to this pipe, or maybe just cut some access holes in it and make some deeper access from the front side, because space is always at a premium, and keeping my junk out of the wife and kids' way helps me keep it organized.